Did you know the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? If you don't know, then learn with me. I am Pranav Magar from Bahaj International School. So today we will going to learn about something about prokaryotics and eukaryotic cells. So we will see the differences. We will see the differences between the prokaryotic and a eukaryotic cell. So let's start it. So first here in the first bracket, purple bracket, here it is given features. These all are the features. These are the prokaryotic cell and these are the eukaryotic cell features. So first of all, features. Definition. What is the definition? Single cell organisms, no nucleus. And in eukaryotics, complex organisms with nucleus. मतलब जो प्रोकैरियोटिक होता है उसमें सेल नहीं होता है और न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता है. मतलब प्रोकैरियोटिक में सिंगल सेल होता है. These are unicellulars and eukaryotics are multicellular. And they have with nucleus. For example, prokaryotics, bacteria, archaeas, and in eukaryotics, animals, plant and fungi. So now next is cell size. Smaller in the size as according to the eukaryotics, means the prokaryotic cells are smaller than eukaryotics and the eukaryotic cells are larger than the prokaryotics. Typically 0.1 to 5 micrometer in diameter, usually 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter. These are the sizes. So next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cell. Energy produces in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm जो होता है वो energy produce करता है prokaryotic cell में. In eukaryotic cell present, what present? Mitochondria is present, powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Next is cytoplasm, present site of metabolical process. Means in prokaryotic cell there is a cytoplasm and it is present, and that is the metabolical process. Site of metabolical process present, holds organelles in place. Means in eukaryotic cell the cytoplasm present and it holds the organelles in the place. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Simpler protein synthesis. Means in prokaryotic cell it is absent and in eukaryotic it is present. And cyclically protein synthesis. Next is plasmids, present small circular DNA. Next is rare expectation in the some fungi and plants. Next is nucleus is absent and here it is present in eukaryotic cells. Organelles, few, many. DNA structure, single, multiple, and the rhizosomes 70s smaller and 80s larger. So these are the main differences in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So here the differences are given and you have to write in your notebook if you are preparing for the examination like Home Baba, NSO and other science examination in which the cell chapter is there. Means in fundamental unit of life, class 9th, 8th and 7th it is given. So you have to prepare this table and learn it because it is very important, that prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and you have to comment which cell you are.